Now let me start from Aniruddha. Aniruddha, what you want to be when you grow up?
I'm a software engineer.
Software engineer, okay. Do you know the spelling of software and
Yes,
engineer?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you tell me the spelling of engineer. Why are you smiling, Siddharth? Tell me.
EIN?
EIN.
No.
Hmm? Hey, Bhagwan. He wants to become an engineer.
GINER.
Okay, now you tell me what you want to be. Huh?
WES officer.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, now what you want to be, Tushar?
Engineer.
Engineer. Okay. Now I cannot ask you the spelling of engineer because you have already heard. Now you tell me what you want to be when you grow big.
I'm teacher.
Teacher. Do you know the spelling of teacher?
TEACH.
CH? Very good. What you want to be, Ananya?
Doctor.
ডক্টর অপারেশনটা ঠিক করে করো শোনা, মেরে দিও না কাউকে, না হলে জানো না বিপদ হয়ে যাবে, চট্টি পিটা করে দেবে সব লোকজনগুলো, জানো না? হ্যাঁ, ডক্টর ছাড়া যা হবে হবে, ডক্টর হতে যেও না বাবারে বাবারে, ভয় লাগে। ওকে, নাও ইউ টেল মি, ওসমি, হোয়াট ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু বি?
Doctor.
তুমিও ডক্টর? বাবারে, এইটুকু আছো, ডক্টর হতে পারবে শোনা?
Yes, ma'am.
ইয়েস মিস। কিসের ডক্টর হবে শোনা? পাপ্পায় রায়কা। কিসের ডক্টর হবে তুমি?
Hospital.
হসপিটালের ডক্টর? হসপিটালটাকে ঠিক করবে? ও, কন্ট্রাক্টর হবে, ওই মেসন
Mystery.
মিস্ত্রি হবে শোনা, মিস্ত্রি।
No, miss.
Then you are telling yes.
Doctor.
And here you can see Veer and Pari has come. Okay, I will ask you all also. Okay, doctor hobe. Okay, Pari, Veer, what you want to be when you grow big? Cricketer. ये तुम सही बोला। अच्छा, tell me the spelling of cricketer. Then how will you be a cricketer? Shame on you if you don't know the spelling of cricketer. So you can see he is Veer and he doesn't know the spelling of cricketer. Okay, now let us ask Pari. Pari, Prathama, I'll ask you. Wait, I'll ask you.
Doctor.
डॉक्टर, पढ़ाई लिखाई सारे वाइज, और डॉक्टर बनना है, बाप रे, तुम लोग तो मरीज को ऊपर भेज देगा। आई विल नॉट गो। अगर तुम लोग डॉक्टर बन गया तो हम नहीं जाएंगे ऑपरेशन करवाने। फर्स्ट आई विल आस्क, इफ आई कैन नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज यू एट दैट टाइम, यू विल बी अ ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल, यू विल टर्न इन टू अ ब्यूटिफुल वीमेन, राइट? आई कैन नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज यू, आई विल आस्क यू किससे पढ़ा था। इफ यू से शीतल मिस, देन आई विल नॉट गो। Okay, now Prathama, tell me what you want to be, Prathama?
Teacher. Mama.
Teacher. Okay, Pari, keep your mouth shut. Prathama, so you want to be a teacher. Now, it's very sure I won't ask you the spelling of teacher because you are very good at spellings. Okay, you tell me what kind of teacher you want to be. A good teacher or a very rude teacher like me?
Both. Like you.
Like me? Thank you. I'm so happy for you. Okay, what kind of punishment you would love to give to your students?
That I don't know.
Why you don't know? You have to think of the punishments, no? You want to give. See, I give tie. You have seen, no, my punishment. And then when my head,
I will be like you, then I will do that only. Same.
oh, you will do the things which I do.
Yes.
Huh?
If I don't want to be like you.
Then I say keite dubo. You will also say keite dubo. You will not say? Then I say সব গাধাগুলো এখানেই জুটেছে আমার কাছে।
Miss, this मार के खत्म कर देंगे.
हाँ, in Hindi I say मार के खत्म कर देंगे. You will not say this? Tell.
No.
No? Then what will you say? If you want to be like me, then you have to say, you have to use my words also, right? What sort of words you will use? Tell me. Hurry up, fast. Fast.
I don't know.
Why you don't know? You have to tell. Veer, where are you sitting on the mat?
No.
Why?
Awesome.
Okay, that is only mat. Okay, tell me. Something you tell.
Wow.
Make the vlog interesting. Something you tell. Hurry up. Fast.
I don't know.
Huh?
We become a teacher, then the technology also we can grow. The
Yeah, technologies will be updated. Then I think she will keep
cameras.
for what?
For the class.
No, but I think punishment will be there, right? Punishment will be also upgrade,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So what kind of punishment you would love to give?
For girls, she will cut the hair.
Yeah, it would be good if you cut hair.
She will fail.
No, then
10 days phone ban.
TC, you will give TC to your students.
What is the meaning of this?
Transfer certificate. You will expel students from your school. বের করে দেবে বাচ্চাগুলোকে স্কুল থেকে। No. You want to be a teacher or you want to be headmistress?
Both. No.
Teacher. Okay. And which subject you want to teach them?
English.
English. Very good. Okay, very good, very good. But you did not tell me the punishment. That's why I'm very sad. I want to listen this.
And she will tell you tomorrow.
Hmm?
She will think and she will tell you tomorrow.
Who has come? Okay. Say hey everybody.
Hey everybody.
Hmm? Please.
Please
Hmm?
like, subscribe,
Hmm?
share.
Very good. Share what? What is the name of our channel?
Masti ke parcel.
Very good. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Yeah.